A new lot transaction record is created each time a lot is purchased on a purchase order, lots are used on an invoice, lots are used on a bill of materials, or lots are created for finished goods in the manufacturing module. And in each time a lot is created, it includes transaction tracking information. For instance, this lot was purchased on PO 1001, has a line item on that purchase order. And then I'll scroll to another lot, and you'll see this lot was created in the work in process module on job 1003. I'll scroll back to another lot, and you'll see this lot was used on invoice OR 1006. This allows for easy traceability of a lot's origin or where it was used. For instance, if there was a recall of a lot, you could trace all of the lots that are used on a bill of materials to manufacture the product very quickly through the lot transactions database. But we will go into more detail on exactly how the lot transactions are created from the specific modules in training movies for each specific module.